Good morning, gents. How are you? Good. Today we have to discuss about the homogeneous differential equation. This is comes under differential equation because there are so many types differential equation: direct, separation of variable, homogeneous, integrating factor. This is homogeneous differential equation. Means what do you mean by homogeneous differential equation? Means if any equation, how many terms are there? How many terms? Suppose here 1 term, 2 and 3 terms. Then we have to check, we have to see the degree means what? Power. Degree means power of variable numbers should be equal. Example, what is the power of x? X power 1. What is power of y? Y power 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to what? 2. Here power 2. Here y power 2. Means you can see here 2, 2, 2. Is all the cases degree is 2. That's why this time differential equation is called homogeneous differential equation in simple method, simple language. Clear? How we can solve? How we can differentiate or integrate? Means in this question, let y is equal to vx. Clear? Or x is equal to means y is equal to vx or x is equal to vy. Then on the question, according to question, we have to take y is equal to vx or x is equal to vy. Clear? Now y is equal to vx. Now we have to find the value of dy by dx. Means differentiating both the side with respect to x. Why? Because dy by dx here. Then therefore dy by dx is equal to what? uv form. Leaving first function, integration of second means difference means 1, x here, dv by here, dx. It means what? dy by dx is equal to here v plus x into dv by dx. Clear? Now we have to put the value of dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dy by dx and the value of y is equal to vx in this equation. Now 2 into x, what is value of y? Vx, and dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx is equal to x square here and v x y square. Simple way, put the value of y is equal to and this is equal to. Now here 2x square v and v plus x into dv by dx is equal to x square and v square x square. Now here 2x square v plus x into dv by dx is equal to x square, common 1 plus v square, x square cancelled by this x square. Then v plus x into dv by dx is equal to what? This 2v divided by this side means 1 plus v square upon here 2v. Now this v transfer this side, therefore x into dv by dx is equal to what? 1 plus v square upon 2v minus v is equal to 1 plus v square minus 2v square whole upon what? 2 into v. X into dv by dx is equal to what? 1 minus v square upon here 2v. Now the value of this variable of v transferred to this side, a variable x one side. Then here 2v upon 1 minus v square and dv is equal to what? And dx upon x here. Now here let 1 minus v square is equal to t minus 2v dv is equal to dt here. Then 2v dv is equal to minus dt. Now here minus dt upon t is equal to dx upon x. After that, very simple, integrating both the side means minus 1 by t means here log of t is equal to here log of x. If here log here log so we can take here log of c. Clear? C is the arbitrary constant. Either we will take log c1, log 1 by c, everything we can take according to answer here. Log t here, log x here log c we can take, no problem. And after that we can put the value of t is equal to what? 1 minus v square here, then minus log of 1 minus v square is equal to log of x and plus log of c. Clear? Now what is the value of 1 minus v square? V is equal to what? V is equal to here v is equal to y by x. Then here minus log of 1 minus v means y by x means y square by x square is equal to log of x into c. Here with the help of log n plus log n means log m into n, here minus here means we can write minus upside. Log cancelled here means x square minus y square upon x square power minus 1 is equal to x into c. Either we can change here, depend on here. Now this is the answer, this is value of this question. Any confusion? Very good. Okay. Now see the second question here. Question number 2. X square dy by dx is equal to x into y plus y square. Now we can check what is the degree means of first term 2, this first term 2 and this second term also 2. Then this is based on homogeneous differential equation. Then let y is equal to vx means what? dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Clear? As you know, I have solved one question completely here. Only this question also based on first question. Now we will put here x square. What is value of dy by dx? V plus x into dv by dx is equal to x into vx plus x square into v square. Now x square v plus x into dv by dx is equal to x square v plus x square v square. And x square v plus x into dv by dx is equal to x square common, v also common, and 1 plus v x square cancel this x square, then v plus x into dv by dx is equal to what? V plus v square. Clear? Now this v cancel by this v, and x into dv by dx is equal to what? V square. Now dv by v square is equal to what? Dx upon x. Now v power minus 2 dv is equal to what? Dx by x. Clear? Now here v power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 is equal to log of x plus c. V power minus 1 means what? Minus 1 by v is equal to log of x plus c here. Either we can add log c or c. Okay. Now here what is value of v? V means what? V is equal to, I have taken here y by x minus 1 upon y by x is equal to log of x plus c, either minus x by y is equal to log of x plus c. Now this is answer. Any problem or understanding? Very good. Okay. Very simple. If any differential equation is given, first of all we can check given equations based on which formula, either direct methods, separation of variable number, either homogeneous equation means homogeneous factor or integrative factor. After that we can apply the rules and find the answer. Now play you see this question, dy by dx is equal to y by x plus 10 y by x. Clear? This is also in the form of homogeneous differential equation, homogeneous function. Clear? In this function, let y is equal to vx means what? dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Understood? Good. Now therefore, what is value of dy by dx? v plus x into dv by dx is equal to y is equal to vx upon x plus what? Vx upon x. Clear? Understood? X cancel by this x, also here cancel. Now here v plus x dv by dx is equal to what? v plus 10v. Now v cancel because both the side here, and x into dv by dx is equal to 10 here. Now take v transfer dv side, dv upon 10v is equal to what? dx upon x. Now here cot of v dv is equal to 1 by x dx. Now integrating both the side here, cot v dv is equal to 1 by x dx. Now here what is the integration of cot of x? Means what? Log of sin x. Yes, 1 by sin, and sin means cos. Then here log of sin x means sin v is equal to what? Log of x and plus here log of c. Clear? Why? Because log here, that's why we will add here log of c. Clear? Now log sin v is equal to log m plus log n means what? Log x into c. Then sin v is equal to x into c. What is value of v? V is equal to y by x. Now here sin y by x is equal to x into c. Now this is answer. Understood? Very easy, very simple. If you will complete from beginning of these chapters, then also you can do this question. Clear? Okay. Now see question number 4. Here given that y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1 here, means we have to find the particular solution, means we have to put the value of c also here. Then I am going to explain here. X square dy plus what? xy plus y square and dx is equal to 0. Now dividing by both the side by dx. Then x square dy by dx is equal to xy plus y square is equal to 0. Power 2 means this is also in the form of homogeneous function, homogeneous differential equation. Now let y is equal to dx, then dy by dx is equal to what? v plus x into dv by dx. Now you will put here x square v plus x into dv by dx is equal to either plus here x into vx plus what? v square x square is equal to 0. Now here x square v plus x into dv by dx. Now transfer this side here, minus x square means x square common here, and v plus v square. Are you understanding? Yes, square common. Plus means transfer this side, minus sign here, and cancel. Now v plus x dx is equal to minus v square. This number transfer there. Yes, dv by dx is equal to what? Minus 2v minus v square. Then we can take common also here. Minus v common, and what? 2 plus v. Minus 2v minus plus minus v square. Now dv upon what? Minus v, and 2 plus v is equal to what? Dx upon x. Any problem? Very good. Now multiply here. dv upon what? Same value will come. Minus means v square plus what? V square plus 2v. Clear? Is equal to dx by x. Then here minus here. Now I am going to split into perpendicular square. Means dv upon what? A square plus b square plus 2b and minus 1 is equal to dx upon x. Now here dv upon what? A square plus b square plus 2b means v plus 1 whole square minus 1 square and is equal to dx upon x. Now we have formula. Integration of 1 by x square minus x square is equal to what? 1 upon 2a and log of x minus 1 by x plus 1 is equal to minus log of what? Log of x plus log of c. Now 1 upon 2 and here cancel v upon what? V plus 2 and is equal to log of c by x. C minus x means c by x here. Now 1 by 2 means we can write here power 1 by 2 log cancel. Then here under root v plus v is equal to c by x. Clear? Now at last we will put the value of v. V means what? V means here under root y by x upon what? Y by x plus 2 is equal to c by x. Now we can solve and whatever answer will come, this is answer. Are you understanding? Calculation depend on you because you are studying class 12, then you should know calculation. What types of calculations there, please try to do, okay? Automatically answer will come. Clear?